Hello, this weapon here. So today I have for you this Laperche. Laperche is a French brand of locks, and this is the Rolls model. So this is Laperche Rols. This is the key. Has this rolling pin here attached to this shaft that is coated by several cuts in the key along its axis, and it's a pump lock or a push lock, however you prefer to call it. You insert the key, you push it in, and you rotate it to unlock it. So you can look inside and see. Let me show you. Has these 6 sliders, and they work very similarly to the fontaine, except in this case they have very effective false gates. So it's a much harder lock to pick, also a bit harder to tension. And I'm going to show you how they move. You have this one here that goes over here, so stops in this place here for the key, and there's an interior cylinder. That's the part that rotates, that separates here. This exterior part does not move, so to tension it I'll have to push this part here and then insert the tensioner here to tension the inner core right there. As you can see, this also pushes the slider. If you push too far, you might overset, so I'll only push it far enough up to there at most to tension the core, and then I'll pick the slider independently, and the other sliders, they will move independently too. It's pretty tricky to pick because the false gates really bite, and once you get the false set, it will be much harder to get out of it. So I'll have to probably preset a couple of sliders, even when they are not exactly binding, or risk to drop a few of them when trying to set them. So let's see if I can pick it and then get it and show you inside. So to pick this made this tensioner, and the idea is to push this little slider here and come in contact with the interior cylinder there. So just enough so that it goes to the interior cylinder, like that. Should be good enough. Right. So let's try, see if I can pick it. I'm using this glass Clementine pick. See how hard this will be now. I've only picked this once. So good. I think it's nearly, let's see, it's just taper thing, or if it's picked. What's missing? I think that's this one here. I don't know if... Alright, here you go. I think we got it picked. Tensioner is not working as intended. No worries, I'll do it with pick. let's do it like this. See, and we got it locked again. So hope you could see the rotation there. So you can see it's rotated differently. Yeah, so let's get this and see what's inside. Right, so we got the lock all disassembled. Very interesting mechanism. So instead of having one ring that functions as a sidebar, like in the Fontaine, we have this wider ring that has this this blocker mechanism here. So when it's properly fixated, like this, so the sliders will only allow the rotation of the inner core when everything is in the true gate. And these are the sliders. And they have these true gates here, and these false gates. So it makes sense that these gates are lateral here, because if we try to reassemble one of them, let's imagine we reassemble the first one. For example, like this, and then like this. Okay, so we have this one that doesn't go anywhere, and you can see we have a false gate right after, so we can push it, and then we got it in the false gate. And I push a little bit harder, and we can get it in the true gate. And as I told you, this is a bit tapered, so yeah, and the springs are pretty strong. Very well made system. Not easy to pick. Very nice. So here you have it. This is the Laperche Rols. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.